Hello everyone. Now we continue at part 3. Yes, this part 3 I want to create, update and delete categories. Okay, and this is that I want to design form. Okay, in the first time we create models. Yes, we create models. So categories and resource. Okay, resource. Right, we complete model already. Go to apps, see model. Okay, right now I create again. Yes, yes. We use the forward slash categories and once we create model and as a controller category with the same times. So go to models. In model, we want to use the assignment for assignment columns. Okay, I use the protected. Protected, we want to use the fireballs. Okay, fireballs. Refer to the column name in the tables. Yes. And then in the model categories, we create the file uploads because we want to upload the images. Okay, I create it like this. Okay, this code we want to use with the start type function image, and this is the file name that we want to call from request name in the forms. This is category object. Yes, category object. Because when we create the like this already, go to yes already run a right click new folder and we import categories. Yes, with the few rows. And now right now we create three files. First in touch that we call list categories and create file. We create the form to store data and in touch edit.plot we edit the categories. Okay, when we create already right now we design forms. Yes, the form you can design by yourself. Form list you can copy from the data table or another website that you can design by yourself. Okay, in Dutch categories I create favorites. Category information. Okay, yes. Okay, when we create the in Dutch already we go to controller and category controller. So right now we returns views and categories just in touch. After we create category already, go routes. And the web right now we use the resource controller. Yes, we use the resource controller. Route resource category controller, category controller. Okay, when we create the like this already, go to the in-touch. And then we want to call a use routes category dot create. Okay, in the component in the menu, the left side, we use the list we call category in touch and category creates. Okay, right now we refresh. Yes, when I place the list and it show like this. Okay, when we call the orders, so right now we create the tab bar. Okay, in the tab bar we add a column like this, and we okay, right now includes the tab bar. We close the tab bar syntax here and start body and tab bar. In the table D, yes, we use the demos, for example. Yeah, we use the demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So we use the TORs and TD 9 test. Okay, I refresh. So we create the already like this. Right now we create the data forms. Okay, so we go to category controller. We go to and category folder. Right now we create the form. Yes, create a form here. We create a form. So you create by yourself from the admin RTH. Okay, and this is we start from designs. Yes, I pass code here. Just in the form action, we call the route names create dot store. If we want to see the routes from the controller, we use the PHP. Yes, we use PHP artisan routes dot list. So the route name call from this. Yes. Yeah, you can Bosh method and your own names. This is the categories that we create the resource routes. Okay, right now we create already form designs. For example, I click. Yes, there is no display. So right now we go to category controller and I returns core view here. Categories and create. We refresh and I click the new categories so the data is displayed. When the form design already, right now we continues. Yes, we continue to store the data. How to store the data? So right now we call this store data here. We use. Yeah, I show you the already from the model controller. We use categories and we call the request category name. Okay, category name we call from the form category name, description, and the image. Categories and category name, description, is active. Default we use once. Image. Image we call from the image. Yes, the image method that I create in model. Yes, model that I call from the start image here. Or you can change to another because with the same the image here. Okay, right now we go to category controller and we paste the image name. Yes, image name refer to the create.blend.php image name here. Okay, if we check the image has a file and then upload file to the database server. Right now we import. Yes, we import because we import the category object because in the category model.php we use the category. So here, okay, we use the categories and then we use category cell. Yes, if category cell we want to redirect to routes name list. Redirect is return redirect. You can use the URL or the route name. Okay, right now I use the route name. Categories just in touch. Okay, but right now we want to call the data from the database. Go to the index.php, we call categories and we use the categories create order by ID descending. Right now we use the compact syntax to categories. Okay, when we create the already like this, we copy the categories, go to the index, and right now we use call from the database ASCII values. Okay, I use the C. Right now we use the range number, we use plus to increase the keys. And just category name. Created as I will use the last update. Yes, update as image. Right now we want to call the image. So here, yes, I use the image img. So we use such. Yes, I made that I store the folder name image. Yes, image and slash category image. So we go to index and I pass here that with plus string file name image. So right now we use the style sheet width, yes, and height 25. Okay, right now we go to the function. Okay, we go to model category, we close. Okay, close here. Don't forget. Okay, right now I refresh. So Gmail display here. So we go to the new insert one more. Okay, I want to test. So the function name must be string. Yes, so the function name must be string. We go to request. I refresh the code here. Go to okay. Now, we add again. Okay, right now we import successfully without error. So right now we want to use the action delete or update form. So we go to the index list. So I want to add tds use. So the route name, go to the route list. You can see the edits. Yes, edit we call it like this. This is the route URL. This is the route name. So I copy, we go to and I pass here. Then we edit with the IDs. So use the ID. And we take time to use the style sheet class. Edits. We add the delete routes. I will go to see the route list, delete with the destroy, but in the Laravel we use destroy. We use the delete methods. So in the Laravel when we can delete, we use the route dot destroy, and then we call C ID. BTNs dot danger bootstraps. Okay, right now we refresh from again. You can see the button edit and delete display here, but we cannot delete. Okay, we cannot delete the form here. How to configure the delete here? So go to, and right now we create a form. Position. We create a form name, or you can use the black engine form Laravel, but I use the form HTML here. Action. Yes, we call the route name here. Pass. The category form delete. Measured post, and the form delete we add the CSRF token. Then when we use the delete measures Laravel, we add the method inputs delete like this. Okay, as measures just delete, and we input the hidden form, hidden and IDs values. CD IDs. So right now we copy here, and we write the code on clicks. Event dot prevent defaults. Prevent default and the document dot get. Dot on dot submit. Okay, when we create already, right now we want to test delete, so I delete here, but we cannot delete. 1 second. So we go to the category controller and scroll down to find the destroy. Yes, destroy. We call the request name ID return base. Okay, request the ID request from the form. Yes, ID. Right now I want to refresh and we want to just delete. Okay, right now we configure the delete successfully with the resource controller. After we want to edit the form. Okay, right now go to copy from the create form. Go to resource, edit and pass it. So in the form edits, we use the update syntax. Okay, go to see the route list, updates, routes with the ID here. But the method we use put of hash. Okay, we add categories. So in the category we go to the routes and I return data here, return views and category dot edits. Okay, right now we place example. Okay, we use array. But the update missing requirement in the URL, so we go to in the edit form. Yes, we call the category and IDs. Okay, I want to refresh. So right now we call the data from the database with the ID 19. You can test with the dump or sham category. Okay, I want to refresh and right now the data call from the original procedures. Okay, copy the variable name and go to the edit again and we refresh. Category name. Description. And the image we cannot display. We don't display. Okay, I refresh again. Okay, so when we update the image, for example, I update method not allowed. So in go to edit form, and right now in the edit or update form, yes, update form, we use a photo patch. So we add method and push. Okay, right now we back again, and right now I want to update. Okay, update successfully. When update successfully, redirect to the browse We use the update categories. We use the image and cost categories. Okay, when we create already, we go to the edit form again, and right now we input the active or inactive. You can design by yourself. So right now I use first type checkbox. Okay, when I want to update again, okay, I could choose, and we use the redirect routes. In touch. Okay, sometimes when we don't upload when they update image, the image just keeps original file. If we want to change the image name, so I choose, for example, I use the image Laravel here or Laravel. Okay, the image chain. Yes, when we choose the image file, because the image file we check has if the have file and then updates. Okay, right now I go to updates computer. Okay, okay. Yes, if we use the like this, no. Okay, right now I finished the update, delete, and re-add category already. So I want to finish lesson. And the next time we re-add product, cut products, and then we re-add the relationship with the category. Okay. Okay. Right now I want to finish. Don't forget to follow me in the next time, and especially don't forget like, share, and subscribe on my video. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Say goodbye.